So built from very high craftsmanship, and it's a really good looking sauna.
It's a beautiful sauna.
It is very nice.
Absolutely. So if you're on a budget and you want something that's affordable price point, I think that's definitely a good option.
That's the one that comes in, we have it in 2 separate woods.
Totally unique design. I've never seen anything like that before.
It is an amazing looking sauna in a very small space. We've created a series of videos for you based on our most asked questions about all things sauna. Welcome to the Lower Bench. Hey guys, welcome back to the Lower Bench. I'm Brian Mitchell with the Sauna Place. Today I'm here with Tony Gabriel and Mike Mobley. So guys, today we're going to talk about our outdoor saunas. Which models come to top of mind whenever you're talking to customers about outdoor saunas?
For me, the first one that comes to mind would be the Heritage Lux Fjord. It's a new model we started carrying. I like it because it's not just a square sauna. It's got a little more to it that makes it special. It's got an outdoor area, like an awning area. As long as you have a cold water connection, you can install a shower out there. But it's got a full height glass front, which is great if you have a nice view on your property. It's constructed completely from Nordic spruce on the exterior, and then the interior is actually thermally treated pine. So built from very high craftsmanship, and it's a really good looking sauna.
It's a beautiful sauna.
It is very nice, no doubt about it. With the outdoor shower included, a covered outdoor shower at that. So, I mean, it's not like you're out there in the elements. So you can either clean up before you go in sauna, or as soon as you get out, you can have a nice cold shower right after it. That is a great model.
There's even space for hot yoga.
The hottest of all the yogas.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So it's up and coming. You know, everybody's all about that hot yoga now.
We are getting a lot of calls about hot yoga, no doubt about it, where they want less benching than more.
Yep.
It's definitely changing a little bit. So Tony, which one comes to mind for you?
I'm leaning towards the Heritage Lux Volcano, which is another brand new one we got, kind of like the Fjord, except this one's going to be a sleek, modern barrel-shaped design. It's got a full glass front, full glass back, and it's a barrel with upper benching as well. So my primary thing with the barrels is you don't really get up in the heat, but when you got that upper benching, I think the barrel style is just unbeatable then.
That is true. The upper benching in a barrel is pretty rare.
Absolutely, and it's got a really solid craftsmanship to it. So I think that this is a barrel that's really going to take off here in the near future once we get it out in the market fully.
That sounds good. No, that is a very good one. I think for me right now, out of all of them, and we have wonderful saunas, but not just for quality, but for the space saving, would probably be the Cielo Sky View. It has it's called a Sky View because there's actually glass in the ceiling. It's very small footprint. It's thermally modified pines, good for 2 people. But this is great for people with tight spaces. And they want an outdoor sauna, but they don't have room for a large one, or they just want one for 1 or 2 people. The Sky View is a great option. Good for balconies, good for outside. It can be out in the weather, no problem. And with the glass ceiling, of course, you can then have a view of the sky.
Totally unique design. I've never seen anything like that before.
It is an amazing looking sauna in a very small space, which again is hard to find with outdoor saunas. They just take up so much real estate at times. So if you are tight on that, no problem. We also have something for you. Any other models that you can think of off the top of your head?
Well, to touch back on that, it's with the small footprint, you can also use it indoors if you had, the space allowed.
There's also an indoor model without the glass. So yeah, so you could do both. You could do both. It could go either way. Absolutely.
I also like the Lumina, the Heritage Lumina. That's a smaller, more price-efficient barrel, and it's also got the upper benching in it, and it's a pretty small space, so it's compact, nice design to it. And I really like the price point of that one. So
that one does have the upper bench too, doesn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. So if you're on a budget and you want something it's affordable price point, I think that's definitely a good option.
That's the one that comes in. We have it in 2 separate woods.
Yep, you got the thermo, and then you've got the pine. So
we have it in pine, or we have the thermally modified wood as well. Yeah, both great price points. Pair that with a KIP 45B heater. We have that one set up out here, and we had that thing over 200 degrees.
It gets hot. Yeah, absolutely.
And it didn't seem like they didn't take any time to get up there. Yeah,
Sure.
yeah, that is a great price point for a very well-made sauna that we actually bring in from Europe.
Absolutely. Estonia. Yeah.
Come from Estonia. So, I mean, you're getting a quality product at a great price. So now we've gone over some of the outdoor saunas we have available, some of the smaller, the barrels, the different, the smaller footprint. Now let's talk about some of our larger saunas. I'd say more of a mid-size range would be like our Thermary Square, which you can get either with a back window or no back window, but a full front glass window with a glass door. Thermally modified, L benching, seats, 4 to 5?
And the large one, you can get up to 6 people.
And the large one, you get up to 6 people. So the Thermary is also a wonderful option at a great price point. But I think for our largest sauna, has to be the Lolu.
Oh, yeah.
Mike, what do you think about that one?
I love this unit. It's good to seat up to 8 to 10 people. It's got a very large footprint. I think it's, I don't know the dimensions offhand, but roughly like 10 by 10 is the exterior. What really sets this unit apart is that it comes with mechanical venting in it, which is great for optimal heat circulation. It helps to prevent any rot or mold from humidity. So after you're done with your session, it'll help dry the unit out. It also comes with the LED lighting included in the kit. I think it's something like 60 feet of LED lighting for all under the benching, behind the backrest. So if you're looking for a large footprint sauna to hold a lot of friends and family, it's very modern looking, this is a great unit.
By far the largest outdoor pre-built kit I've ever seen.
And this is the first sauna that we've ever had with 3-tier benching.
Yeah, 3-tier bench. Yeah, that toes above stones.
Oh, yeah.
For the traditional Finnish sauna experience.
Right. Yep, that one pairs very well with the Hive 18.
Yeah, absolutely. Embed that thing in the lower bench and you're good to go.
Yeah, that is the largest sauna as far as I know.
Yeah, or an outdoor freestanding sauna, absolutely. That is a beautiful sauna.
Yeah, so at the sauna place we have everything from a 1-2 person outdoor sauna you can put on a patio or on your back deck, all the way up to a 10-person, monstrous, beautiful, very well-made sauna. So we've got you covered in every aspect for your outdoor saunas.
And one thing I do want to mention about the Lolu is I hear from a lot of contractors that something that big is really hard to move around because it typically comes fully assembled and they got to crane it around to the backyard. But this one comes crated. So a lot of contractors have told me that this one is much easier to get in place.
I guess it would be, because you wouldn't have to get a crane because no telling where you're going to be putting it.
Yep.
So this way they can assemble it on site. They can carry the pieces wherever they need to go or set it, and then they can build it themselves.
And avoid that high dollar cost for that crane.
Absolutely, tearing up your yard.
Oh, yeah.
Anything else.
Yeah, and also the lumber species that they use in this sauna is perfect as well. You know, they've thought about everything. The walls and the ceiling clad is done in a thermo pine, which is the best material for your walls. And then you've got the thermo aspen for the benching, which that's a great material because it's cool to the touch. So that's where you're coming into contact with it. And they just think of everything on these. They've even got the aqua varnish, the Nordic thermo spruce on the flooring. Everything is built up.
You don't see saunas with that anyway.
No, never. No, it's unheard of.
It's the only one we have. Those are very good points. It just makes this really the best overall quality large sauna you're going to find on the market. Well, guys, that's our take on the outdoor saunas that we have available. If there's any you see on our website you want more information about, or if you want more information about the ones that we have discussed today, feel free to reach out or leave us a comment if you want us to do a video on a different sauna, if you want more information. Feel free to give us a call at 931-516-6577 or visit us at saunaplace.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, please share it with a friend. Until next time, have a saunerific day.